Imagine stepping into a living room where the warmth of the Mediterranean sun meets the sleek lines of modern design, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with contemporary comfort. Welcome to the world of modern Mediterranean living rooms. Before we dive into this sun-soaked journey, make sure you're ready to catch every design wave by hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications. You won't want to miss a single moment of our design adventures. Now, let's set sail into the world of modern Mediterranean living. Today, we're exploring the captivating fusion of Mediterranean charm and modern aesthetics in living room design. These spaces are a testament to the art of balancing old and new, creating rooms that are both timeless and fresh. As we begin our journey, picture yourself entering a space filled with natural light. Large windows or glass doors often dominate one wall, inviting the outdoors in and creating a seamless connection with nature. The Mediterranean climate is celebrated here, with spaces designed to maximize airflow and natural cooling. The color palette is a key element in these rooms. Warm, sun-kissed neutrals form the base. Think creamy whites, soft beiges, and gentle grays. These are often accented with pops of Mediterranean-inspired colors, perhaps a deep sea blue, a rich terracotta, or a vibrant olive green. These colors evoke the landscape of the region, the azure sea, the rustic earth, and the lush vegetation. Textures play a crucial role in modern Mediterranean living rooms. Smooth, cool surfaces like polished concrete or large format tiles are often juxtaposed with rougher, organic textures. You might find a sleek, low-profile sofa adorned with nubby linen pillows, or a streamlined coffee table topped with a roughly woven basket. Speaking of furniture, the pieces in these rooms strike a balance between comfort and style. Clean lines and simple forms nod to modern design, while plush upholstery invites relaxation. A large, inviting sectional might be paired with streamlined armchairs, their silhouettes reminiscent of mid-century design. Natural materials are abundant, connecting the space to its Mediterranean roots. Wooden elements, often in lighter tones, bring warmth and organic beauty. You might see a statement piece like a gnarled olive wood coffee table or sleek oak shelving units. Woven elements like rattan or wicker add texture and a touch of traditional craft. Arches, a classic feature of Mediterranean architecture, find new expression in these modern spaces. They might appear as doorways, in built-in shelving, or even as a motif in artwork or mirrors. These soft curves provide a beautiful contrast to the clean lines of modern furnishings. Art and decorative objects in these rooms often pay homage to Mediterranean culture. Abstract paintings in sun-washed hues, modernist sculptures, or contemporary ceramics add personality and depth. Plants are also key. Think sculpted olive trees in minimalist planters, or cascading vines softening a sleek shelving unit. Lighting in modern Mediterranean living rooms is thoughtfully layered. During the day, sheer curtains might filter the bright sunlight, creating a soft, diffused glow. As evening falls, a mix of lighting sources comes into play. Sleek floor lamps, minimalist pendant lights, and hidden LED strips create a warm, inviting atmosphere. The overall effect of these spaces is one of serene sophistication. They invite you to slow down, to savor moments with loved ones, to connect with the beauty of your surroundings. Modern Mediterranean living rooms are not just spaces to look at, but spaces to truly live in. As we conclude our tour, take a moment to imagine how elements of this style might enhance your own living space. Perhaps it's the warm color palette, the mix of textures, or the seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Modern Mediterranean design shows us that it's possible to create rooms that are both cutting-edge and comfortingly familiar, spaces that feel both luxurious and lived in. We hope this journey through modern Mediterranean living rooms has inspired you to bring a touch of sun-kissed elegance to your own home. Remember, the essence of this style is about creating a space that feels both timeless and contemporary, where every element invites you to relax and enjoy the beauty around you. If you've enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interior design inspiration. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What elements of modern Mediterranean style resonate most with you? Until next time, may your living spaces be as welcoming as a Mediterranean sunset and as refreshing as a sea breeze.